From the Wright brothers to today's modern aircraft, the aviation industry has come a long way. But which airplane holds the record for being the biggest? Let's find out. This is Antonov AN-225 Maria, which was designed by Design Bureau in Ukraine in the 1980s to transport the Soviet Union's space shuttle, the Buran. It was built with 6 turbofan engines and a wingspan of over 88 meters, which makes it the largest plane in the world. These engines have the ability to reach a maximum speed of 528 miles per hour at an altitude of 36,000 feet. All this power meant that, even with a full tank of fuel, the AN-225 could fly distances of up to 9,569 miles, enough to travel from London to Australia. There were 20 steerable wheels in the 32 wheel landing gear. The nose gear housed 4 steerable wheels and the other 16 were in the rear of the 18-wheel main gear. In order to load cargo, the massive nose opens upward and a tongue-like cargo loading ramp unfurls. The AN-225 has a maximum takeoff weight of 640 tons, which is equivalent to the weight of almost 200 elephants. It can carry up to 250 tons of cargo, including large machinery, industrial equipment, and even other aircraft. It's so big. Really big. The AN-225 has flown all over the world, transporting cargo for a variety of clients, including the United Nations, NATO and various governments. In 2020, it was used to transport medical supplies and equipment to help fight the COVID-19 pandemic. Despite its size, it is surprisingly agile and can perform a range of maneuvers, including takeoff and landing on short runways. It's also equipped with advanced avionics and navigation systems, making it a reliable and safe aircraft to operate. The AN-225 is truly an engineering marvel, and we can't wait to see what other amazing things it will accomplish in the future. Thanks for joining us on this amazing journey, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating stories from our channel. Powered by GoSeeTravel.